Hey, yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy KZ Flicks here with another one. But today is not going to be about the 6K NE Raw. Today, it's going to be about the ProRes Raw HQ. And might I say, it is very, very beautiful. But I learned a very dope trick. So what I do is, when I load up my ProRes Raw files, right? I go in DaVinci, I go into the RAW settings, and I change it to Apple Log 2. You're like, why are you changing it to Apple Log 2? There's a reason why I changed it to Apple Log 2, right? I have a LUT that basically gives Apple Log red color science. Yeah, so what you're looking at is Apple Log, but with red color science. Matter of fact, check out the jacket real quick. Okay, yeah, shout out to Balenciaga. I didn't have enough money for it, so I just, think. But anyway, so basically, the sun is going in and out, so pardon the exposure test. But I basically can make my Apple Log turn into red color science. Now, this LUT was really geared towards iPhone, Apple Log. But with ProRes RAW, you can switch from Apple Log to anything you really, really want with ProRes. So, so these shots that you see right now of my son, it's all shot ProRes HQ. Tell me what you think. Would you wanna use ProRes RAW with the red color science LUT? But let me explain this though. It was kind of hard for me to get it to look like this too. But the node tree is small. I'm gonna do a color grading video of how I get it to look like this. It's not that hard. And yeah, tell me what you think, Apple ProRes. I was kind of like still stuck on like the 6K RAW, doing the 6K RAW stuff. But honestly, I think I'm gonna start trying out this ProRes RAW HQ thing, man. It looks pretty dope. The colors is nice, you know what I mean? And I can manipulate it any kind of way I want, you feel me? So tell me what y'all think. Jacking it. All right. Also, link in description for my new LUTs on my website. I got the nighttime LUTs, daytime LUTs, and I also got the false color LUT. Link will be in description. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm also going to have this LUT already made for ProRes RAW HQ. And also ProRes RAW HQ, but you have to make it in Apple for this to work. Change it to Apple Log 2 or regular Apple Log. All right? 1, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Keep creating. 1.